Looking at the Plasmafy, the plasma energy spheres, plasma wave generators, and you're going to start seeing a lot more coming out about these. I've had these now for about 6 weeks and am absolutely loving them. There's a lot of stuff that I'm using them for. I've obviously learned a lot, but this video is just a basic introductory setup, kind of show you how to set them up. They're very, very easy to get up and running. So I'm going to go through that and kind of show you how I've set these up in my spare bedroom. Now, we're going to start off here first. Now, you're going to get this box. Everything here is completely assembled, so that's going to make it easy. You're going to have two connections. You're going to have this one here, which is for your Wi-Fi. That's going to send the signal into the plasma energy sphere. And then you're going to also have these boxes, and the boxes are basically batteries, I guess is probably a good way of putting it. And the goal, if possible, is to use these without running them directly into the electrical wall. So they do come with these plugs. So if I wanted to, I could plug them directly into the electrical outlet, but I don't. I use the batteries, and it does come with the voltmeter, so technically I can register and measure the voltage, but I'm pretty good. So when you charge up this battery, these are going to run for about 3 hours. Okay, so they're good for about 3 hours. Now sometimes after I've run them for 2.5, I'm still probably just going to plug them in and recharge them. But I'm going to show you how easy this is. I'm basically just, well, I've got it turned on, so let me turn it off here first. Okay, so what I'm going to do is basically just unplug this. I'm going to take this piece right here, set it right there, and because I've got the charging piece, which is another one that you'll see, and you'll notice the green light. Just going to go ahead and plug that in. And then once I do that, you can see that that unit is charging. So you're going to get this charging piece. You're going to get that little battery box. You're going to get this, which is fully assembled. And then I just leave this cable in. So all I'm going to do is just basically, you're going to get a couple of these cables. I'm just going to let that sit there. And I've got, these were the ones I just explained. Now, it does come also with your Wi-Fi. And this is just, you can see, super easy. You're just going to plug these in, the Wi-Fi. Now, to use the Wi-Fi, you're just going to hold this down for about 5 seconds. And that's going to activate the Wi-Fi. Now, this is also obviously super easy to charge. I've got the USB. I can just plug that in and charge that, which I probably need to get that going too. And then over here at my second station, once again, I'm going to turn this off. And then we're just going to go ahead and unplug this, bring it over here to our second little energy box station here. And you'll see right now it's green, but as I plug it in, it's going to go red. And I do have some friends coming over today, so they're going to use this. But I wanted to just do a real quick video on the setup of the Plasmafy, the plasma energy spheres. As I said, we're getting a lot of requests for these. These are very, very powerful. There's a lot of information that goes into what these do, how they work. But if you've seen some of the videos I've done in the past, it's going to run off of an app. It's basically, you're basically getting in the middle and you're getting in between these two, and they're sending a cascade of frequencies back and forth. And those cascades of frequencies are going through the body. Now, you can target specific parts of the body, but basically, if you almost think of it like it's an orchestra of music, and each part of the body is going to resonate with certain notes and certain music and certain instruments. So when you're throwing these frequencies, which would be Planck times golden ratio, which is actually what the frequencies are, which have been noted and basically been discovered as being some of the most healing frequencies. That's what these things are doing. And the plasma energy field that's being created is mindful. So that's why you're getting into things like intention and different things that go in with it. It's actually very sophisticated. And I guess for me personally, since I've used the Lakhovsky, the multi-wave oscillators and other products, This is a more modern, more sophisticated version of that, much more sophisticated. So we're going to go into that later. And there's going to be, like I said, a lot more videos coming out about the Plasmafy, the plasma energy spheres. So this is just a basic walkthrough, introduction, and setup. For those of you out there that have purchased these and are going to be getting these, you can always call me and contact me as well. But stay tuned for more upcoming videos on this very exciting technology. And the plasma energy field that's being created is mindful. So that's why you're getting into things like intention and different things that go in with it. It's actually very sophisticated. And I guess for me personally, since I've used the Lakhovsky, the multi-wave oscillators and other products, this is a more modern, more sophisticated version of that, much more sophisticated. So we're going to go into that later. And there's going to be, like I said, a lot more videos coming out about the Plasmafy, the plasma energy spheres. So this is just a basic walkthrough, introduction, and setup. For those of you out there that have purchased these and are going to be getting these, you can always call me and contact me as well. But stay tuned for more upcoming videos on this very exciting technology.